Yesu. Every day. The same way Jesus.
Bamia no, Bamia no. Bamia no. You ready? Bamia no. Bamia tomato, Bamia oja tomato. Guys, that's all. Yeah, so guys, there's a tribe, guys. There's a tribe, I don't know. Just aside here to Tanzania, guys. One day I'll be there, guys. There's a song they say, there's a I know guys, some of you they know that tribe. Yeah, it's a good tribe, guys, that even makes me get to buy this. Let me show you guys what we are going to have today. This one, very crazy, guys. There's a tribe that makes even me. A minute, mom. There's a tribe, guys, that makes me, guys, to feel even eating some matumbo. This matumbo, which if I can translate, guys, it's a small intestine. Hey Tony, I'm talking to my people here, so give me a minute. Yeah, so guys, there's a song which makes me to feel happy, guys. They say like I don't, even though guys I don't know the meaning of the song, guys. Even I don't know the language, but the song the song have a message. It goes like this. Bamia no, Bamia no.
But you shake your
leg. One day will be there, guys. That's the place I'm supposed to be. Maybe it's early to promise you guys, but I have a big hope, guys. One day I'll be there. Anyway, guys, for those who are the first time here, my name is Kevin Otiso. The time, guys, I'm getting home, I see it. Still, we have a lot of time, guys. We are going. I have a nice watch, guys. This one you can't imagine. I bought it, guys. 200 Kenyan shillings. Very nice watch. And you guys, guess what? From my classmate, just it's not from the market. You can see second hand. Yeah, but it's a very nice watch. People were just on the road, guys, when I was wearing the watch, walking like this. Anyway, guys, today in the table, my father, can see my father is very happy. You know this?
I know.
This is Matumbo, guys. There is a tribe, guys. Mention that tribe, guys, down there in the comment section, guys. I like that tribe, guys. I like so when I watch those videos, guys. So it makes me guys even to feel eating Matumbo. By the way, exactly, Tony. That's a patient to prepare. That's a patient. Hello, again. Fanya haraka time. Hapo kujipanga kwenda shule kesho. Bamia tomato, bamia cha. Let me show you. Bamia tomato. First. Let me get my father to sing for you. No.
No.
Guys, bamia tomato, bamia cha. Guys, by the way, let's do this. Today, guys, I just decided to surprise my parents with Matumbo. Already come here and show to people. So Tony, like that. Oh, majumura, time, we don't have time. I want to be very fast. Yeah, guys. Today we got Matumbo here. Yeah, this there's a tribe that I don't know, they eat this Matumbo like that, guys. One day I'll try it. By the way, let me sing that song for my mom. Bamia no, Be happy. Or guys, maybe the song is for song love song, and I'm singing for my mom. Bamia tomato, aja, bamia ngongo. Don't you bring just try.
Bamia tomato.
You don't know, you are useless. Aya, come on. You know something that you can do best is just helping me here to prepare food. But for singing, you don't know nothing. Yeah. Anyway, guys, Tony, come near, show people here. Tony, Is this knife sharpened, very sharp enough to cut this matumbo into equal pieces? Is it, Tony? Or by the way, Ondeki, you are the one who is going to cook ugali, because my favorite part today is just making matumbo.
My favorite is today I'm going to sleep.
Can I try these, guys?
Yes.
So unataka hata tungeka hapa tujue meza. Let me show you, just like that. Kwa sawa. Asa, if you got 2 knives, I could helping you to cut tomatoes, and you also cutting matumbo. So the one could be easier, but now use one. Nataka tukate kizunguni hiyo kama mama, kwa hiyo yeye nani leta. You wanna agree, bro? I'm done. Guys, I've injured myself, so
Let me do my work.
by the way, help me, because oh my god. Anyway, guys, we must prepare supper. Even though I have a small injury here, we must prepare supper. So Ondeki,
I can't eat that food.
eh?
I can't eat that food.
Why? Because of this small injury. Even I don't want you to eat. Mom, umesikia wewe ukienda together?
So that was
Ondeki has said with his own mouth words.
Oh, so that's your plan.
No. So because I want you to know, to make you not eating this matumbo, I can just sacrifice to cut my finger like this. Okay, let me Tony. Nasaidiana na Ondeki. Anyway, why Tony are you saying matumbo is not good?
didn't wash it well.
I didn't clean well.
Yeah.
But you know, there's a tribe that made me to buy for you matumbo. Okay, Tony, you don't appreciate this. Like our father appreciating my mom here. By the way, mom, there's a tribe here in Tanzania, not here. In Tanzania country. They eat this just like this. Can you imagine? I'll show you the video. I'll show you the video later. Try it.
Ondeki can
Magari nimenya mama. Yeah? Kama kulinga piece yako. Ngoli boy.
but ebu pe Ondeki uone.
Kali.
Ebu pe Ondeki.
Ondeki, try this. Will you try it?
No.
Wow.
Behind the scene.
By the way,
Yeah, the good behind the scene.
I'll show you the video. By the way, guys, what I was saying, anyway, Tony, I can help you with the other hand, because the other hand has got an injury.
Relax.
Or you are okay?
Yes.
So guys, today I'm off. I'm just relaxing here, guys. Maybe making a story with you, because I've injured myself here. Maybe I can be the cameraman. By the way, to come help Tony to cut some these tomatoes.
Let me go and wash my hands first.
Okay.
Rudisha hapa. Umeza kuwa nyingi. Kuwa nyingi. Ingi ngani.
Hey, you guys, you are joking, but you don't have time. Remember what I told you.
Look at this boy now.
Be serious.
What are you doing?
Ondeki, you know Ondeki is last born. These are always the last born they behave. Ondeki is very disturbing, guys, here.
Interstyle.
Have you ever?
We call them small intestines.
Ew.
It seems like I didn't clean it very well, okay?
I told you.
You will repeat again. No problem.
No, this is the Bosontoto.
It will make it sweeter.
Yes.
Yeah, guys, can
Bitter, no sweeter.
Bitter. Oh, by the way, guys, there was a time when we went for sports. We just had some meal at hotel, guys.
I like this.
But Ondeki.
Me and Manu and Humphrey. Do you remember that time? There was something someone just put inside Manu's food. It was just this one, this liquid here. Yeah, some of people they like it, especially my father. So
But
it is not harmful, guys.
this one.
Tony, can you try that? Ondeki, try one piece. Try one piece.
We can't.
You are pretending on the camera, guys. Let me tell you the truth.
Behind the
Guys.
scene.
To be kind, guys, Ondeki likes to eat this one, like this.
This one.
Let me tell you the truth. It's Sotiso eat this
But
one.
Ondeki, let's be serious. Try that.
No,
Try just one.
it's you try.
Show my
This
people
is
something.
Come on,
Say
let
try.
me. Let me record you.
Wanaoya kwa moti yenga tiliko ni
Okay.
Mmeongea ndio watu wasikia nimekula. Guys, I can't take this one. Oh.
Guys, to be kind, okay. In front of God, can you say it again? You didn't take this. Okay, let's see.
When it's been done in cooking, I can eat.
Okay, be kind. Okay, be kind. We put God inside. You know, usual to go to church on Dieki. I don't want I don't want my people to see that I'm lying. Have you ever not tried this like this?
ready
Yes or no? To be kind.
Look at the steamer.
Wow, guys, you seen that? Ondeki likes Ondeki is pretending yes because of camera, guys. But guys, our matumbo is ready. So Tony, without wasting time, just start cutting this into small pieces. I want to cut it very nice, the way even my people will like it. Yeah, cut them into the way I usually to do. I thought I have taught enough Tony to cook because today I have a small injury, guys, here. So let the boys, guys, today help. Today, guys, I'm the cameraman, guys. And guys, I want to see you on the comment section, guys, telling me, guys, the tribe name. Have you ever seen the tribe? And guys, by the way, I know even you guys one day will like to be there, guys. Me too, guys. I like to visit that tribe. Even though, guys, my fellow Kenyans, they are just they got some problem with Tanzania here and there, guys. You know. Just you know, guys, that's life. But while you Kenyans were fighting another Tanzanians, guys, just leave for me though that tribe, guys. I don't want to mention the tribe. I want people to tell me on the comment section, guys. I'm really waiting that, guys, to see that in the comment section. Ondeki has made his song. Sing it for us.
Tomorrow, tell promise in your vanguana that.
Oh, repeat again. Come again.
Iragere nonyora matumbo.
Aya, sing it for your mom. I want to see your mom's happiness.
Tomorrow, tell promise in your vanguana.
Tomorrow, tell promise mama antigenda.
Mom, what is your song? What is your favorite song? Today you must be very happy. You know, guys, African moms, you know, they pretend to be very serious, but inside their hearts, they are really very, very, very happy. By the way, my father is not around. I could have doing some jokes with my father, because nowadays, guys, I'm allowed to do some jokes with my father because my father have seen some few changes in me, guys. You know, I don't have to explain more. But in old days, guys, I didn't even sit in the same table to eat food with my father. Okay, have you finished? Wow,
Mr. Obonyo.
you have did it very fast. Even I forgot to record this part.
I'm very fast.
You're very fast.
Yes.
Yeah,
No,
I like you. So I want you to prepare. How many onions are enough for this one? Okay, let's because I want it to be very delicious. Use 3. Yeah, I want you to be very fast like this. Yeah, so guys, the next thing we are going to the kitchen, guys. We finished doing this thing. By the way, I'm going to do that with you. Bamia komacha acha bamia ngongo bamia Tony, kuja. I want to sing for you and you dance. Come. Let's go. Ngongo bamia ngongo, come here. Bamia ngongo bamia ngongo bamia ngongo bamia ngongo. You don't know anything. Go. Just go. Just go. You don't know anything.
Yes.
Okay, Tony, so Ondeki, so far. So far, have you is ugali ready? All guys, let's go to the kitchen, by the way. Yeah, guys, I can see you on the kitchen. Ondeki just waiting for the water to boil so that he can start cooking ugali. But Tony, come here. There's a mistake here you have done. Come here very fast. Yeah, so guys, in the kitchen we don't have enough light, so just be patient with me, guys. Soon we're going to have a very good kitchen for you guys to show you guys how we shall to cook a supper. But because there's no enough light, guys, I hope you can see. Tony, yes. This water is not enough for ugali, because even though I don't have appetite today. Come with some water. Yeah, so guys, after cooking ugali, I know, guys, for cooking ugali I've been doing a lot of videos cooking ugali, so I will use this time because I have an injury. After cooking ugali, guys, I will prepare matumbo together with you. Add some water there because this water is not enough for ugali. add some. Yeah. So guys, already our water has boiled. So guys, I have changed my mind. Now I will be the one who is cooking because I just one day take that camera for me because I just changed my mind, guys. I changed my mind. I didn't want to cook, but guys, I will cook because of my injury here. I didn't want to cook, but I just remember that maybe there is someone who is first time in my YouTube channel and who will like to maybe to learn how to cook ugali. Yeah, because for the returning subscribers, I'm really happy that I have taught someone out there how to cook ugali. By now, guys, for those who I started them my channel, who are first time to my YouTube channel, maybe the returning subscribers, I've been doing a lot of videos cooking ugali. And even guys, I know and I hope if someone can give them just cooking flour, water, and this and also a cooking stick, they can make a very good ugali. Just for me, I'm really happy about that. Guys, remember when you finish the video, guys, don't forget. I better remind you first. I will be waiting, guys, you on the comment section, guys. I want to know how many people they have the same mind like me. They really, when they are free, guys. When I'm free, I just watch some videos of a tribe, which makes me very happy. Just even it made me today, guys, to buy matumba. I don't want the guys to talk more. But for now, just let's go. But guys, I'm waiting you in the comment section. Yeah, I'll be waiting, guys, and every comment I will be replying, guys. I will be replying everyone, guys, and I will be happy. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, for someone who have never seen how ugali is cooked, this is a very good example. Be careful with this. Trust me, I'm a good teacher for cooking ugali, but for the other things, let me leave it for other people. But for cooking ugali, trust me, following my procedure, you're going to be a very good one. Yeah, just like that, you leave it for some times, and then later you give like 5 minutes after stirring like this. Yeah, just like that. You make sure your fire is on. Let me say like that. By the way, I've really missed Nairobi. There was a time I tried my best to go to Nairobi to visit my brother Joseph. It was a really good moment. I usually to cook with a gas, but nowadays we are using these are the 3 stones. 1, 2, 3. But I'm feeling comfortable cooking with them because using that gas, it was really some days when I was new to Nairobi, when it was my first time to Nairobi, it was really hard for me cooking using a gas. But when I used to use it, I just came to be very, very smart. Hey, Tony is the one who went to the posho meal. Tony?
Yes.
Are you the one who went to the posho meal today? Yeah? Because this flour is not the one that I used to cook like. Even the color of ugali, guys, ugali is supposed to be very white in color. Ugali ni kwa sawa. Our ugali is ready. By the way, in our language we call ugali, we call it, it sounds very good. When someone had that name, it even makes someone feel hungry. We call it in our language obo kima. Tony?
Yeah.
How do you call ugali in our language?
Obo kima.
Obo kima.
Obo kuma.
Yeah.
Kima.
Yeah, and even for the Luya tribe, guys, you know, in Kenya we have got 47 tribes. In Kisii language we call Ugali Obo Kima, but Luya people they call it Obo Suma. That word is like it is related. We call it it's like Bantu speaking. That's my mom's language. Tony, can you bring me a plate? Now guys, let's go to the table. Our ugali is ready just like that.
I'm very busy.
So they will do what have you been doing, because is this the time that you're supposed to clean you to prepare yourself for school?
I was feeding Sky.
Feeding Sky?
Yes.
You are the one who you want to say you are the one who see I saw you with the bike.
No.
Guys, I saw Tony riding the bike, but Tony is saying he was feeding Sky. You are using you feed Sky today, but you are using it as an excuse. You are taking advantage of Sky. Anyway, this is the time Tony is preparing for herself for another day to school.
This I think is being done. This one is a sniper.
So just a little sort of niche.
What was one?
Ndiyo sabita.
Kwa birimo riri.
Ibe kachumbari bilikuwa na bilikuwa bitigera kana. Onje nami ndini.
Igondeke.
Mwirani.
Etai.
No. Tenía de un bikia watu sini. Gani ndio sasa. Bora kama mambo. Nani alipata?
Hiyo ni nini?
Ndo nini kuwekea?
Odia. Na, tungare ka kangari bui.